If you want to check out how I make money online every single month and how you can too, click the first link in the description. Now let's get to this video. So can you really earn over $2,000 a month in LiveGood without doing absolutely anything? All right, if you're watching this video, you are probably thinking about joining LiveGood, and one of the reasons might be because you've been seeing all these advertisements, you know, on YouTube and Facebook posts talking about how you can earn $2,047.50 in LiveGood without having to do anything. So I'm about to keep it all the way real and, you know, let you know, is this an actual possibility? Can this really happen? And the answer is absolutely yes. All right. It really is a possibility to earn this kind of money with LiveGood, but there are some things that you must know before you join LiveGood in hopes of getting this money. First and foremost, when you think about the math and how it works out and how, you know, the compensation plan work, you will understand. If you really take the time to look at it, you'll see how it is actually possible to earn over $2,000 a month. But what you also need to understand is you have the potential to make this amount of money without having to recruit or sell any products, right? But there is no guarantee that this will happen. Why? Because it's based off of the growth of the company, how many people are joining, which right now, a ton of people are joining LiveGood every week. Thousands of people are joining right now, and it's no signs of slowing up. Right now, as I'm doing this video, we are at 420,000 members, all right, in LiveGood. When I joined LiveGood, I was in the first 40,000 people, right, to join LiveGood. So it has been growing and growing and growing, and it's expected to hit around 1 million people by the end of this year, which is 2023. So the company is booming right now. All right. So how it's possible to make this amount of money is what they call spillover, right? So when people have teams and all this stuff, and every time somebody joins LiveGood, they have to go under somebody who's already in the company. So basically, the more people that come in, the better the chance that you're going to get spillover. So which means if you just sitting around ain't doing a damn thing, eventually you're just going to start getting spillover eventually at some point, right? And when that happens, people are just going to start coming underneath you, blah, 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 blah. And when your matrix, right, the network marketing talk, when your team fills up, it's going to max you out at $2,047.50. And that's assuming that you didn't do anything. All right. And the thing with that is, like, there's like, that could happen, right? Because the company is growing fast as hell. So that could that might take 6 months. It might take a year. It might take 3 years for your matrix to fill up just off of spillover, right? Now, would that be well worth it, right? In my opinion, hell yeah. If you just gonna sit there and pay $10 a month to stay active with LiveGood, and you just sit back, you don't want to do nothing, maybe you take the products or whatever, and you just kind of just look at it as an investment, then you could actually do that. But in my opinion, this is just me talking, if you were to take that approach and just kind of wait for your 2,000 to max out, I would guess it would take you anywhere between 1 to 3 years, maybe even a little more, I don't know. But like, a lot of people jump in because they see the whole $2,000 a month. People actually jump in, stay in LiveGood for like 2 months, don't do shit. They don't do nothing. And then they'll quit and be like, well, this is a scam. I never got my $2,000. Well, shit. Like, look at the, you know what I'm saying? Look at the compensation plan. Look how it works. And then you will understand that, hey, I got to wait for the growth of my team. I got to get spillover. And once you're willing to understand that, and you go into LiveGood like, you know what? I'm not trying to do nothing. I'm just trying to make money. I do believe a year after being in LiveGood, right? You pay $10, I think you could be earning $30, $40, $100 a month coming in automatically due to spillover. But I think it'll take you 1 to 3 years to get close to maxing out your matrix to earn that $2,000. But you should know straight up, it is possible to do that. So if you see people talk about, oh, it's not real, it is real, but it's not fast. It's not going to be like instantaneous. It's not gonna come within the first 4 months of being a member. Straight up. I mean, it could, but I mean, you'd be super lucky if that were to happen. But just understand that for, you know what I'm saying, if you decide to join. Now, personally, like there's people out there already making a lot more money with LiveGood than just $2,000 a month. There's people already earning $20,000 a month with LiveGood off of a $10 membership. There's people already making $5,000. My sponsor is already making $3,000 a month. I'm already earning money with LiveGood, right? So I highly suggest like promote it, because no matter what, long as you stay in LiveGood, you're putting yourself in a position to earn a monthly recurring income no matter what. So why not promote it and try to get to that $5,000, $10,000, $15,000 a month? Why not? Because when you join LiveGood and you decide to sit back and don't do nothing and wait on spillover, you're missing out on $25 commissions. And you're also missing out, which is dope as hell, you're missing out on that 50% matching bonus. You're missing out on that if you don't do nothing. Because remember, for every person that you personally enroll in LiveGood, you're going to get a 50% matching bonus for whatever they earn. And this is how a lot of the people the majority of people in LiveGood are making the big money. They're making the big money off of the 50% matching bonus. So if you really want to be successful with LiveGood, my suggestion is join LiveGood, right? Get involved with LiveGood and promote the opportunity and just let it ride out. But promote it. Really, promote it on Facebook. Get on YouTube. Get the offline flyers and leave them places. You have nothing to lose at that point. You know what I'm saying? You have nothing to lose at that point, because remember, that 50% matching bonus that's it. Just think about that. You bring in a couple people, just say they earn, $1,000 from their matrix. You're going to earn $500. And you didn't even do nothing but just bring that person in. So imagine you bringing in 10 people, 20 people over a year period of time. Think about that. Just play with the numbers in your head, right? Like, this opportunity really is a legit one, and it has crazy earning potential. All right. So if you haven't got signed up yet and you're motivated to get started with LiveGood, click that first link in the description and I will see you on the team.